Living life today can be very taxing. We get pulled from all sorts of directions and we have demands coming from everywhere, whether it be from work or school or maybe taking care of others or just normal things in life that we have to do. And some things are more demanding than others. Hi, I'm Pedro Hernandez and welcome to the MindFlex Minute. If this is your first time listening to a MindFlex Minute, welcome. Now make sure you watch the other videos as well as our workout videos, recipes, and more. Now, the MindFlex Minute is all about helping you increase your awareness and condition your mind so that you can achieve any goal that you may have in mind. A study done by Boston University showed that months after the pandemic happened, depression rates in America tripled, taking them from 8.5% to 27.8%. That's about 1 in every 3 Americans suffering or experiencing some sort of depression. Now, as we know, depression can then turn into an array of other problems that doesn't just affect the individual person, but also each community, each state, and the country as a whole. So it's important to recognize that there is a problem that we should address, but also, and more importantly, to focus on having daily practical steps that we can use in order to get better, both collectively and as individuals. Now, we all from time to time do have those states of depression or just feeling down. I know I do. And when that happens, I use that time to slow down, to recover, and to reflect. I also make sure to check in with myself, to acknowledge those feelings, but to also make sure that I don't spend too long in that kind of state, because I much rather prefer to be in a high vibrational state where I feel like I'm in harmony with myself and with my environment, but also that feeling of peace. So what are positive mental deposits? Consider this example. Think of a very healthy bank account, a bank account that has plenty of money in it. But even a bank account like that, if all you do is take out and make withdrawals and withdrawals and withdrawals without making any deposits, eventually it will run dry. And that's the same concept for our mindset. Every day we make withdrawals by giving to other people, by giving to our jobs, by giving to life itself. And it's not too often that we make positive mental deposits on our daily basis. And that's when we run into problems. We just deplete ourselves from feeling good, from feeling positive, from feeling ourselves. So a positive mental deposit is something like saying words of affirmation to yourself, taking time to close your eyes during the days and actually enjoy and take a break. It is going to the gym or going for a walk. It is having a nutritious meal that you enjoy, not just for its nutritional value, but also for taste. Or maybe going for a manicure or a pedicure, or maybe even a massage. Those are all positive mental deposits that you can be doing throughout the day. Maybe not all of them every single day, but certainly being intentional about making deposits into your mindset, making deposits into yourself, rather than just always giving of yourself and making withdrawals. So what positive mental deposits are you going to do for yourself today? I suggest that you actually make a plan for you to input it into your schedule and select something that's going to really renew your mind and get you going. Maybe it's just having a sticker reminding you of how great you are. Remember that in a bank account, when we make deposits on a consistent basis, that account will grow pretty fast. So make sure you do the same thing when it comes to your positive mental deposits. Now, if you are having a hard time getting over some feelings of depression by yourself, I really encourage you to go seek the help of a professional. There's plenty of resources out there. In fact, just look at the link below where I have put in some free resources that you can contact in order to better assist you in battling with depression. Remember, we all go through it. You don't have to do it alone, and there is a solution. So we can all start individually and collectively by doing daily practical steps, and that is by making positive mental deposits. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to share it and leave a comment below.